Okay, so I guess it's time that I should start. So hi guys, hi everyone, hi out there, and it's a very different time for me and a different time for you guys. Um, Hello from US and hello India, and it's been a while that I haven't spoken and I haven't come live. So here's a very good morning to you guys and a good night for me because यहाँ पर रात के 3 बज रहे हैं और आपके यहाँ पर 12:30 हो रहे हैं. So it's a very different time zone altogether. So please cooperate with me, bear with me because it's 3 a.m. right now over here. रात के 3 बज रहे हैं and this is the most awkward time or the weirdest time that I've ever come on live. Obviously, I don't think anyone would be coming at live at this point of time at 3 a.m. So it's just for you people because obviously we have this time difference and I wanted to interact with you and I thought the safest time zone will be a daytime for you guys and a night time because the other time if we go the other way then it can be a early morning for me and then a night time for you. Night time you guys won't be available. Morning I won't be able to wake up. So so yeah. So I think this is the most safest time. It is 3 a.m. Again I'm telling you for me. So if I look sleepy, if I look dead, exhausted, please forgive me and please understand and cooperate. So hi guys, how are you? I hope everyone's doing very good back in India. And of course India is going through a lot of tough times, but I'm really looking every day. I'm keeping a check on what's happening with the country, with everyone out there. Hi Abhilash, how are you man? आई होप कि बहुत जल्द चीज़ें सब ठीक हो जाए और हम जल्द अपनी नॉर्मल सी ज़िंदगी वापस शुरू करें. सो या हाय एवरीवन, हाय ओरियो. So everyone asking me how am I? I'm very good. I'm doing really good, and it's been a good break for me. And I've been resting out here in Michigan. I am in United States currently. For the people who don't know, as of yet. So and also I'm enjoying my holiday and I'm taking a good break and I'm working out. That's my usual routine. I work out, I eat healthy. You must have seen it in my stories as well. It's just about eating healthy and working out and sleeping and yes, looking after myself basically overall. Are you planning to visit Chicago? Yes, I'm planning to visit Chicago when this month end, most probably, because my friend stays over there, and I think when I came here, I first came to Chicago itself, and then I came to Michigan. Anyway, so people, lots of questions. I'm sure people wanting to ask what's been happening, and I'm sure it's a tough time. If you guys want to ask any sort of questions to me, please go ahead, shoot. I will be happy to answer. I'll try my best to answer. And apart from that, I hope it's all good out there. Situation is getting better because I have been checking every day and I'm getting to know that the cases are falling, which is very good. People are getting vaccinated more day by day, which is also very good. So yeah, I mean, I'm really happy that that slowly and steadily it's getting back to normalcy. The country is getting back to normalcy. We can get back to our shooting lives. We can start shooting also. Hi Pooja, how are you? Well, I'm so good here, and I hope you're really doing good. And I don't know whether you're shooting right now or no, or whether shooting has resumed or no, but I hope if not, and I'm sure, I'm pretty much sure that you're enjoying your family life because you're good at that. You enjoy, you travel, you do everything. So yeah, you're like me only. So yeah, again, let me put it this way. It's 3 a.m. and I'm having coffee at 3 a.m. just to keep myself up for you guys. Well, I don't want to like put it on you guys, but yeah, this is something that I'm actually doing it just to make sure that I stay up. It's 3 a.m. This is the usual time that I sleep. It's not like I would be lying if I tell you that I sleep early, but I sleep around this time only. And yes, Pooja, thank you so much. You enjoy. See you soon in India. Well, Hussein, get Irshad while I come. No, I think you will have to ask Irshad, because Irshad will ask his wife whether he can travel or no, and then you'll get your answer. पार्ले जी, अमित भैया सब ठीक है यार, आप कैसे हो? एंड आप बोल रहा हूँ मैं. It's a different timeline, bro. It's just 3 a.m. and I'm sure that you are one of those people that I'm constantly in touch, and I'm keeping a check on what's been happening, and I hope everyone's good at your end. Yeah, inshallah, I'll see you soon. Apart from that, who else? Well, let's see. Thanks, Yashvi. Thank you so much. Well, this glow, I don't know, maybe because of the winter or something, but yeah, this is 3 a.m. glow. If you want to put it that way, 3 a.m. 3 बजे का glow है ये. So yeah, a lot of people are asking when am I returning. I don't know whether I'm actually. It's just so funny actually, because if you see it in a funny way, the people who are asking me, obviously there are some of my friends that I want to answer, but most of the people I haven't even met them, and I don't know why they keep asking me why am I coming back, as if they are waiting at the airport for me to receive, so that they could meet up. I haven't met them in years, or I've never met them. But anyway, I'll be coming this month end, and hopefully by then situation should obviously be better, and I'm looking forward to start working and resume, and I'm looking forward that shoots gets resumed very soon. So yes, few people are asking me whether I'm a part of any show right now. Well, let me put it this way: I'm not part of any Big Boss show. I'm not doing anything, and as you can see, I'm in US, and I'm on a vacation, and I'm on a break, and I'm actually looking after myself, and I'm just looking after my health. Yeah, that's it. Please tell us something about my next project. Well, yes, I am doing a web show, and it is a very nice web show on a very renowned platform, and you guys will get to know it very soon. That's what I can say for now. But the show is in itself is a very individual. It has a very individual identity to it, and I can't say much on it, but I can only say that yes, I'm looking forward. It was supposed to start in the month of April, and in Goa, and it stopped unfortunately because of COVID, and it didn't happen. And now we are on a break, waiting for shoots to resume, for everything to get back to normal, so that we can start off peacefully, and we can shoot in a very controlled environment and safe environment, because safety is what matters right now. Well, people asking me about Kaisi Hai Yaariyan season 4. I'm sure that smile comes whenever you hear the word, and it's very crazy. I met a lot of people in US also who actually watch Kaisi Hai Yaariyan, and a lot of girls, a lot of women, and a lot of people have watched it and appreciated my work, and I actually find it very nice. I mean, it's something to be proud of, and I really like it when people actually have watched something which I have done a couple of years back, not only now recently, but yeah, it's something a part of me, and I like it. And I want to make sure, if you're asking me about season 4, let's put it this way: I am not the producer or the director or the creative person. If you want to ask anyone, ask the channel, ask the writers, or ask the creative directors, ask whoever, but don't ask me. I am anyway up for season 4, and yes, you heard it right, I am up for season 4, and if that works out, it should work out, so you guys will get to know. So you guys, if you want to ask this question about season 4 of Kaisi Hai Yaariyan, please go ahead. You can ask not me, but the channel, of course, and then you'll get your answers from then. What is the proceeding? Is it happening? Is it not happening? You'll get a better idea over that, instead of just hoping. I'm sure it's not it's not easy, and you guys have sticked around. I mean, you guys have stuck around for so long, hoping for a